What? I didn't discuss filming anything. I just thought I would film something.
Might as well.
It's here.
It's here, and I have a knife. Ooh, black box.
1/8 scale traction hobby trail truck. Oh, what's that? Might as well flip it upside down, right? Ooh, it even came out the right side up. The G5500. Everyone's going to say this is an exact replica of the Traxxas, the red Traxxas Mercedes that you had, that we gave to Grandpa.
Oh, nice.
Yes. But this is going to be much larger in a different model altogether. Yes, please. I want to see it as well.
Just like it, only a little different.
He's fine.
Oh, man.
Oh, looks like it's gotta be like that. Yeah, it's black. I'm loving it. Yep.
I'll hold the box.
Thank you. And slide. Yep. Oh, it's tight.
Oh my God, I gotta hold on.
Oh, it's being reborn. Oh, holy dang, that's huge.
Wow.
Oh,
That's gorgeous.
my God. That is so much nicer than the red one that we had.
Yeah.
Wow. I can already hear it now. It's a Traxxas knockoff. Well, let's have a look at one thing right away. Oh, hello everybody. Come look at this Mercedes. This is a 1/8 scale. A lot of people may not like this right away. The Traxxas one was really received as a chick's car, or a Barbie car as people called it. When I say 1/8 scale, you heard me right. Why would you care about this? Other than all the aluminum and actual metal pieces on here. Aluminum diff housing, brass weights already there. This is all RTR. Procomp Xtreme MTZ2 tires. Same tires I had on my full-size Big Blue truck. Traction hobby 1/8 scale Mercedes, 2-speed transmission, true 2-wheel drive, true 4-wheel drive, true locking differentials on the fly. And what do I mean by true 2-wheel drive? How about front and rear wheel drive? Look at this, it's in all-wheel drive right now. If I switch just to front, watch this, watch the front tires. And then if I just want rear wheel drive, I switch it from that position to the down position, and it's only in the rears. Now this isn't new to Traction Hobby, just this particular model is. And me always on the hunt for cool and unusual trail trucks, a 1/8 scale truck is larger, of course, than a 10th scale truck. There are some 10th scale trucks this large, and you probably need a good idea of how large it is. Here's the radio. That gives you an idea, guys, because we all know what a full-size pistol grip radio looks like. It's on even ground. Look how large this is. Here, I'll even get behind this so you can have a look. Here, let's sit behind it. Ugh. There, what do you think? It's absolutely huge. For an 8 scale, I'm able to go and conquer some trails easily. That just happened. Bye-bye. Now these trucks in full size are known as more of a fashion statement, I would say. Other than a competitive off-road machine. These things are usually so expensive and not often found out on the trails unless you have copious amounts of money. I think in Canada a version like this would cost us about close to 300,000. Yeah. Oh, look at this prettiness. Brand new truck? Don't mind if I do. Soupy and disgusting. Perfect test for the 4-wheel drive. Look at all this. Here you can see my side-by-side tracks in here. And then Also, my lawnmower tracks to go in and mow my lawn over in this area. Ooh-wee! This is where I wear slides. Oh yeah, baby. The soupy stuff. 4-wheel drive, activated, low gear. Now, I expect performance from a Mercedes, and Traction Hobby has always given me performance. I buy my Traction Hobby products at Asia Tees. I got this directly from Traction Hobby though. I don't really support any websites these days. I don't, partner up with anybody. But any RCs that I get that I think are cool, I definitely want to share with you guys. Look at that beautifulness. I should drop it right down into the mud. Get it up on that axle. I'm just doing slow throttle right now for no other reason than just being dramatic. So bright and sunny today. Beautiful. Yeah. That is a choice looking ride. Yes, I need a driver. No, there's no interior on the inside. We can go a little faster here. Ooh, all shadow. That doesn't matter. Yeah. Ghost driving. Basically, it's a full-size but RC'd. That's the way I'm going with it here. What does he mean by that? I've got a full-size skid steer that's RC. And in the future, we're going to have electric RC or electric cars. Why aren't we going to be able to put remotes on them? It's going to happen. Oh yeah. And I'm going to be right there getting myself a full-size RC mud truck. Kill switch, mandatory. Woo. Now, I would imagine the true mud lovers want to see a truck like this hit the water and the mud with speed. And you came here for entertainment, so I'm not going to dick around with this slow speed. I think we should hit this with some real speed. I think it would be ironic that I did a slow motion shot right now. Look at that, yeah. 3-cell LiPo power in there right now. Flinging mud. You guys may look at those tires and think they don't have much traction, but I'm not having much of an issue with Traction Hobby right now. Whew. There it is. Beauty. Oh yes. Now it is time for a slow motion shot. Look at that beautiful ride. That is the only way to break in a new RC properly, in my opinion. In the mud, outside, in the sunlight, having a good time, ripping it, RCing the way you see fit, no matter what your budget is. There's an RC for everybody out there. And I find RCing incredibly helpful in relieving stress, getting outside, getting some exercise. Oh, what's this? Did I get her stuck? Ooh, I hear something clicking in there. What is it? Oh yeah, work its way out, work your way out. So that reverse speed is slower in the ESC. I'll be switching ESCs, that's for sure. It's a 775 brushed motor in here, so it's got tons of torque. Oh, I thought we were gonna work our way out of there for sure. Okay, let's back it up again. I don't think we'll get a smoke show out of that big 775, which is a good thing. Should get more than one mud run out. Come on, work it, baby. I don't know if you guys are into scale mudding. It's not always about going fast for me, it's about getting stuck. It's about seeing if I can work my way out of a sticky situation without touching the vehicle. Basically driving skill. I got myself high centered here, but notice how I'm doing a wiggle dig? Just trying to get traction where I can. Just gonna try to wiggle it here. Work my way forward a bit, work my way backwards. Forward, backward. Okay, now I'm going to try to make a run at it here because I think I might be able to get out for this great epic shot. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Well, there it is, guys. I hope you've had fun. I'm going to go take a hose to this thing and see if I did any damage in those speed runs. You never know, when you're braking in a truck, you could be braking it at the same time, but if you ain't braking it, you ain't fixing it, and then you might not even be having fun. So what are you doing? Get outside and have fun with RC, guys. Let's go clean it off. Here's a tap, I promise. Oh yeah. At this age I get a little bit of a flow issue. There we go. Happens to the best of us. Oh, there we go. Little air in the line. Because I'm not on city water, I've got my own pump that pumps water from the ground, from a well. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, satisfying. Now there is lots of plastic on here, but there is a lot of metal. Great portal gears. It was weighted so well, it never flipped once. Woohoo! Actual metal bumper. This isn't plastic. All the rods and links, metal. Beautiful. Let's see, what's that clicking sound? What do I have clicking here? Maybe just sand. Might have just been dirt in the motor itself being crunchy. I think that's what it was. Nice. Oh yeah, there's nothing clicky in there.
Oh, yummy.